Hello students, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, I am going to give a full roadmap of digital marketing course. This is the most demanding course in present market. If you not get job also, you can do freelance and earn thousands and lakhs of money. Okay, coming to the topic, here I am going to discuss what is digital marketing and what are the skills you require to get a digital marketing job or you want to become a digital marketer. And I'm going to give few project ideas to add to your resume, and what are the jobs you can apply and what are the companies you can apply and what is the average package of a digital marketing person in India. And I'm going to give finally free resources and course links as a bonus. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and support me. Here we discuss what is digital marketing. Simply, digital marketing is a marketing which we do through digital platforms. Okay, whatever it is, we have to do promotion of products or services or brands using digital channels like social media, Instagram, Facebook, Google. All this we have to use and make promotion of products and build the brand value to our client. So you can use any platform and you have to bring clients to, you have to bring leads to the person. That's it, to the product. So what are the skills you require to become a digital marketer is, first one is Google Analytics, and you have to learn Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager, and for email marketing, very basic tool you have to learn is MailChimp. And next you have to learn SEO, means search engine optimization, and SEM, search engine marketing, and in this you can add SMM also. It is added advantage, social media marketing like Instagram, Facebook, all these things. And content creation has huge demand right now, and copywriting skills you should know, social media marketing skills already I said here, right? So next, data analysis and interpretation. These are the skills you should learn to get a digital marketing job, or you want to become a digital marketer and you do as a freelancer also, you can earn lakhs of rupees. So coming to the project ideas, digital marketing is the same like our social media. While you are doing these courses, know how to run marketing campaigns, ad campaigns, and how to develop content or marketing strategy for business. And you should know what is keyword research and optimizing website, means ranking. You should know what is the social media ranking and everything, and you should know how to run emailing campaigns. Every day we are going to get emails from lots of companies, right? Marketing companies. All you should know how to automate, and analyzing digital marketing metrics and meta driven decisions you have to know. Okay, these are the projects you have to do mainly. And job opportunities, coming to the digital marketer, have lots of jobs in market. If you don't have any job also, don't worry, you can become a freelancer and earn money. So digital marketing specialist, social media manager, and SEO specialist, content marketing manager, email marketing specialist, PPC specialist, and digital marketing analyst, and CRO specialist, means conversion rate optimization and marketing automation specialist, and digital marketing consultant. These are the jobs you can apply after learning digital marketing skills, which I have shown in above slide. And what are the companies are recruiting for these digital marketing, means every company which working or which selling the product or service or business need a digital marketer to grow their brand and to improve their market strategy. So Flipkart, Amazon, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the companies, I don't want to name the companies actually. Every company is looking for digital marketer to grow their brand value. So how much skill you have, that will make you what salary you get. And next, so coming to the average package, you can start from 1 lakh. Why? Because it is a very lengthy domain, means you have to learn so many things, but one skill is enough to get job. Anyone SEO or SMM or SEM like this, and up to 10 lakhs you can earn, and average salary is 5 lakhs. If you want to know more about this salary, you can get here. Okay, collegedunia.com and go to courses, digital marketing, career options and jobs. If you go to that website, you will get everything related to this. I'm going to put this link in description. If not, please comment your email ID. I will send to your mail this PDF. And finally, I'm going to give few courses which are free and valuable. This Moz.com, Academy, HubSpot.com, EDX.org, Analytics.google.com, all these companies are giving, all these platforms are giving free courses on digital marketing. My suggestion is follow Hello Viru in Instagram and Hello Viru channel, YouTube channel. If you want more videos like this, please do support me and share with your friends. This is Mahesh signing off.